Ember Music AI. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to make music using Ember. So let's get started. First, you have to go to their application or website and then you have to sign into your Ember Music account. Click on create new track, then choose your genre, mood and tempo. The AI will instantly generate a track based in your selections, making it easy to get started. Even if you have no experience in music production, you can do it. So you can also customize the track. You can change instrument, adjust the volume of different elements and even modify the arrangement to match your style. If you want a softer or more dramatic sound, try tweaking the intensity settings. Adding transitions between sections can also make the music flow better. Ember also provides a looping feature which is helpful for background music and long form content. You can experiment with different settings until you find the right sound for your next project, and if you do not like the results, you can easily generate a new version with just a few clicks. Once you are happy with your final track, you can download it and then you can use it in your video, postcard or presentation without worrying about the copyright issues. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.